Alright, before starting, let's make sure that M229 on E0, D0. That's the only way to work. So I'm right now in this slot, and my cloning head over here. That means you have to go over here and you have to set clone head 12, because this is head 12. And you cloning this head and you have to flush it. After you flush, you're good to go. Over here, I put some dots using the Sharpie. So if you see, they're on the same spot, here and here. Now I'm gonna click print button. Now let's see. Of course, it's gonna home first, and then you will see that this will go faster than this, and I will show you the parameters I set on the heads. They both gonna jump the same direction now, and now look, this is going faster. This one's still here. This one going way faster, you can see. Let's wait. This one will almost disappear, but this one still works, and this one turns slowly, right? So this one already all the way over there. Now let me show you. This one set on 0.2, and this one 0.8. 0.8, 0.2. This one slowly going, you can see, and that one all the way somewhere there, I can't even see. Yeah, it's gonna make the whole circle soon. So works fine.